Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to jack up your Lexus RX 350 safely and effectively. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a solid, level surface, like concrete, to prevent any movement. Always engage the parking brake and put the transmission in park. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Gather your floor jack and 2 reliable jack stands before you begin. Now, let's find the correct lift points. For the front, look for a sturdy, reinforced crossmember located centrally behind the radiator. For the rear, the central jack point is usually the rear differential or a strong crossmember. If you're lifting one side, use the reinforced pinch weld rails along the frame. These points are designed to safely support your vehicle's weight. Always double-check your owner's manual for precise diagrams. With your jack points identified, position the floor jack directly and squarely underneath the chosen central point. Begin slowly pumping the jack handle to raise your Lexus RX 350. Lift it just enough to clear the ground and allow for your work. Once at the desired height, carefully place 2 jack stands under the reinforced frame rails, ensuring they are stable. Then, slowly lower the vehicle until its weight is fully supported by the jack stands. When your work is complete, it's time to safely lower your vehicle. First, use your floor jack to slightly raise the Lexus RX 350, taking the weight off the jack stands. Carefully remove both jack stands from underneath the vehicle. Now, slowly and steadily lower your car completely to the ground using the jack's release mechanism. Finally, remove the wheel chocks and store all your tools in their designated places. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.